The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupyansk direction, Russian forces launched strikes with artillery and Army Aviation at the units of the armed forces of Ukraine near Kislovka, Berestovoye in Kharkov region and Novosyolovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. 5 hostile sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been eliminated near Kislovka, Olshana, Tabayevka, Krakhmalnoye and Pershotravnevoye of Kharkov region. The enemy has lost over 30 personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickups. In the Krasny Liman direction, complex fire attacks launched by Russian units at the Ukrainian armed forces have resulted in the elimination of over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored fighting vehicles and 3 motor vehicles near Stelmakhovka, Novolubovka, Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic, Serebryanka and Grigorovka of Donetsk People's Republic. In the Donetsk direction, Russian forces continued successful offensive. Air and artillery strikes have resulted in the irretrievable losses of up to 70 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 4 motor vehicles. In the South Donetsk direction, complex fire strikes launched at Ukrainian armed forces units have resulted in the elimination of up to 30 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 motor vehicles near Novomykhailovka, Prochistovka and Novosyolovskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and Army Aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 Ukrainian ordnance depots near Zaporozhye and Novoivanovka of Zaporozhye region, as well as 76 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 123 areas. Counter-battery warfare operation resulted in destruction of 3 Ukrainian fighting vehicles equipped with Grad MLRS near Kupyansk, Petropavlovka in Kharkov region, and Ivanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, 2 US-manufactured M777 and M109 Paladin artillery systems near Lozovoye and Peshchanoye of Donetsk People's Republic, 2 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzers near Burlatskoye of Donetsk People's Republic and Orekhov of Zaporozhye region, 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Lozovoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Su-25 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Nikanorovka of Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have destroyed 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Starobelsk, Chervonopopovka, Sofiivka of Lugansk People's Republic, Nikolskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 3 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olshana near Molochansk and Chistopolye of Zaporozhye region. In total, 372 airplanes and 200 helicopters, 2,873 unmanned aerial vehicles, 400 air defense missile systems, 7,486 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 979 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,813 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,019 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.